In this tutorial, we start learning how to deal with text data. Text data is an unstructured data. Numerical data is a structural data. All kinds of data must be cleaned, especially unstructured data, which is text data, requires a lot of cleaning process. This cleaning data process is called pre-processing the data. And pre-processing the text data consists of several stages, such as tokenization, stemming, and stop words. Now in this tutorial, we talk about tokenization. Let's write a simple string or sentence. This is an example to tokenize, for example. When it is tokenized, it is split into words. So, tokenization is all about splitting the paragraph into sentences and splitting the sentence into words. It's all about splitting. Let's dive into coding part. Learning data science, as I talked in previous classes, learning data science concepts theoretically is very, very interesting. But the coding part is the most interesting one. It's much more interesting, trust me. Why? Because we see how to implement our concepts as coding. As good as possible, I will try to simplify my code, and I highly recommend to, wherever you work, whatever you code, try to simplify your code. In this video, we're gonna write just a couple of lines of code to tokenize words and sentences using an Nltk package. And in the next class, we're gonna define a function, code a function. What kind of function? Customizable function. In the next class related to this tokenization. So I highly recommend to pay attention and do code yourself so that this tokenization content will be easier to digest in the next class. So let's start coding. When we write some kind of comment, we use hash. Okay, let's first import Nltk packages from Nltk .tokenize import send tokenize. Let's first see how to tokenize sentence. Create an example. So now we need example text. For example, hi, I am Josiat. I am writing this, so that to show you how to tokenize. Let's write syntactic in a wrong way, misspelling, or let's change this. The sentence and words, no matter what, we misspelled what, never stop coding. We misspelled what, and let's leave it like this. Let's see how it tokenizes. Let's define a variable. Let's name this variable example. Example syntactic units. Let's name it. tokenize the sentence. Let's take this, tokenize. What do we tokenize? Example, this text we tokenize. And let's name it variable. Tokenize engine, let's say. As we talk it, we can name it whatever we want. Please see the previous classes. Tokenize engine, let's print out. Hi, I'm José. Let's see, this is just one sentence because we are tokenizing sentence, not words yet. So that's why hi. There are 3 sentences now. Let's tokenize words. Show you. Actually, most of the time we tokenize words. Let's tokenize words. Instead of send tokenize, we use word tokenize. Let's change. Let's print this out. So you see. So as you see, hi, I am Hasiat dot, even full stop, comma. So you see, it is tokenizing words now.